HL90 scanning with the Bernie 2.5. The voltage on the scanner is actually slightly out, but it's actually still scanning. To change that, we'd need to change the photocell lens, but the photocell lens on these are quite expensive. Machine's been calibrated as much as we can on this small machine, but you possibly have to calibrate it again when it's there. But up to now the machine is actually functioning as it should do. Seeing both sides of the line as it's travelling and the silhouette. I've said to you in the past, check your scanner height, but this is actually running. If you do need it actually doing the photocell lens, then we'll actually quote you for that anyway, just in case. Thanks for looking.